Welcome back, my name is Dan, and in this video I'm going to show you how my mom and I installed some more patches on this trailer, and we used a different method than we did in the first video. So stay tuned to see how we did it. So we removed plenty of patches that had butyl tape to make the watertight seal, but really I'm not liking this look with the butyl tape sticking out and the whole plate sticking about 1/8 of an inch off of the surface of the shell. After all these other seams on the trailer don't have butyl tape in them, so we figured we could do better. And here on our new patches, you can indeed see that it's a nice tight fit with the shell. Preparing the patches takes a significant amount of time, from measuring them to cutting them out of the aluminum, measuring out the holes and drilling them, and then deburring them. I ended up doing a lot of this while I was watching TV.
Again, I don't know.
This is where the electricity used to come in. Here's an example of a patch using the new method. A small scraper is really handy for taking off most of the old butyl tape, followed up by a Scotch-Brite pad with some mineral spirits. You can see how puckered these old screw holes are, and to flatten these out, we're using a small anvil and hammer from a body panel toolkit. Now that the surface is nice and flat, we can put on the patch. Use the patch as a template to drill holes into the shell, and then secure it with some clecos. Now tape off around the patch for our next step. Instead of butyl tape, we're using this Gorilla liquid rubber sealant coating. With some tape over the holes to prevent drips, apply a generous layer to the backside of the patch, as well as to the shell. Now place the patch and secure it with some clecos. And at this point, you'll need to remove the tape so we can fit the rivets in. Then start riveting.
3.
Make sure to remove the tape and clean off any excess paint as soon as you can. On the inside, apply another layer of this waterproofing paint. And this poor trailer was so riddled with holes and vents that we had to do quite a few more patches using the same method. On most of these patches, the rivets were 1/2 inch in from any side and spaced 1 inch apart. And using this instead of butyl tape gives much better results in my opinion.
Yeah, it looks cool.
There we go. Now I'm just trying to convince my mom that we should redo some of the patches we originally did with butyl tape. We'll see how that goes. Anyway, I hope this video has been helpful and hope to see you next time. Trying to make me out. Ready? Try and meet me in the middle.
I'm trying.
Move earlier. There we go.